Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today we'll discuss about enable auto mute when joining Zoom meetings. Joining Zoom meetings. Part 1. Some people prefer to join a meeting. Some people prefer to join meeting muted so that they don't cause unnecessary muted so that they don't cause unnecessary interruptions when they join. Interruption when they join. Luckily, Zoom has a dedicated settings. Luckily, Zoom has a dedicated settings dedicated setting to allow users to do just this, to make sure you are muted, whenever you join a Zoom meeting. Whenever you join the Zoom meeting on a PC or Mac. PC or Mac. Number 1, open the Zoom desktop app. Open the Zoom desktop app. Zoom desktop app. Number 2, select the settings. Select the settings cog icon at the top right of the Zoom window. At the top right of the Zoom window. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my